Gold Coast first home buyers. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.Heise here and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee. I want to have a look at this article from realestate.com.au, originally from the Gold Coast Bulletin. What first home buyers are looking for real estate-wise on the Gold Coast. Now the reason I want to look at this is because last Friday we did the $400,000 starter house challenge on the Gold Coast and failed miserably. We couldn't find a three-bedder really for that price range anywhere on the coast. So, first home buyers wanting to live on the Gold Coast but are being pushed to the city's northern suburbs or settling for units. New research by REA Group shows first home buyers are searching for houses in Pimpama, Upper Coomera, Ormu, Coomera, while Surfers Paradise, Southport, Barnsley Lakes, Robina and Labrador are the most popular suburbs for units. The PropTrack Regional Australia Report 2021 released this week reveals more than half of the top suburbs searched by potential first home buyers are on the Gold Coast. The Gold Coast is one of the top destinations for millennials, so it makes sense when you look at the trend for younger first home buyers heading towards suburbs that are relatively affordable, PropTrack senior economist and report author Eleanor Craig said. Most of the price points in suburbs where first home buyers are inquiring have an average valuation under $500,000, and in terms of the split between houses and units, you can see that coming through as well. They are being attracted by lifestyle, amenity-rich regions, which with an affordability advantage as well. Gene Brown of Gene Brown Properties said many prospective first-home buyers had been priced out of suburbs. 6 months ago, a lot of these buyers were looking further down the coast, but they've had to come up north. A lot of first-home buyers are being priced out and have to move west or north and aren't even in the Gold Coast city anymore. Yes, that's the thing. That's what we saw. She said many first-home buyers were also competing with investors. We are seeing first-home buyers trying to get into the market, but they aren't that many who are successful, Ms. Brown said. There's still a lot of interstate investors who come in with offers well above the asking price, and a lot of first-home buyers can't compete with that. She urged first-home buyers to have their finances ready and consider other property options. They might have to look to a townhouse or duplex just to get their foot in the door. Catherine Keegan of Harcourts Coastal sells units in Surfers Paradise and Southport and said she'd seen a huge uptake of first-home buyers this year. With COVID locking down international travel, the next best thing is to buy that beachside apartment. We've seen huge numbers of first-home buyers because of this. Surfers Paradise definitely represents the best value for a beachside suburb in Queensland for people aged 20 to 30. But who wants to live in Surfers Paradise? It's the ultimate stepping stone before you go into your next bigger property. I think it's a good transitional piece of property. Yeah, because no one wants to live there for a long period of time. It's just crazy in Surfers. So one buyer's struggle to get in the Gold Coast property. Leaving life in Sydney and moving to the Gold Coast was a game changer for Alexandra Webb, but finding a property in the heated real estate market proved a huge challenge for the first home buyer. I spent a very long time searching, Mr. Webb said. Every time I found a property, it was either under offer or it wasn't in the best location. Well, then you're being picky. The 21-year-old who has searched from his Sydney-based family home finally settled on a townhouse in Pimpama. He contacted Shane Pryor of LJ Hooker Solutions, who showed him the property via video. It's the perfect location, Mr. Webb said. It's 25 minutes to the Brisbane CBD and 35 minutes to Surfers Paradise. Mr. Webb, who underwent 2 weeks of mandatory hotel quarantine to enter the state earlier this month, said he was drawn to the Gold Coast for the lifestyle on offer, but was also keen to buy into the city's property market. Why? It's where people go to die on the Gold Coast, isn't it? And this is from someone who grew up there. I think here is a good place to get yourself established for further years to come, Mr. Webb said. The Olympic Games are coming to Brisbane, and there's a lot of things that happen here that will boost property values in the future. Remember the Commonwealth Games that we had on the Gold Coast? Complete and utter disaster, but, it's the hype. So, I want to move in and stay in my property for at least a year and get myself established here. Then hopefully I can rent it out and have it as an investment. So the top first home buyer suburbs. A unit in Surfers. I guess my teenage years going out partying and drinking was in Surfers. So I've got, let's just say, cloudy memories of Surfers. New South Wales and Dubbo, a house. Southport, a unit. Pimpamar House, Wollongong unit. Upper Coomera, Orange in New... Where's Orange? Orange is in the middle of nowhere. Varsity Lakes, units. Robina, units. I know that area. It's lovely there, right near Bonduni. It's going to be expensive. Ormu, in the middle of nowhere. I remember when the trains just drove right through there when I was commuting. Labrador unit. Also known to the locals as Stabrador. Okay, guys? So, I mean, there we go. What first homeowners want. Exactly what we said in our video, guys. Gold Coast failed the $400,000 starter home challenge. You couldn't find one, a 3-bedroom place on a block there, anywhere in the city. It all had to be pretty far out, or you were looking at a unit or a duplex or a townhouse. And in the less attractive suburbs further north of the Gold Coast. Exactly what's being said here. I can't say I'm at all surprised. I mean, good luck to the young guy. I mean, in your 20s, living in a unit and surface is probably perfect. Exactly what you want. You know, maybe hold on to it as an investment. But we'll see. We'll see how good it would be having an apartment there. I mean, international tourism is a big part of the Gold Coast, everyone. Anyway, check out this last video we did from the $400,000 property challenge on the Gold Coast to see just how expensive it was and how we failed in our quest to find a property there. We did find a good bargain in the middle of nowhere out at Nimbin. I don't think it had power though, but still. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.